Welcome to Sky High Ranch, a custom-designed, private estate just southeast of Roseburg. Located on 160 acres, this magnificent home is masterfully designed, built for the ultimate in Northwest living. It's ideally situated with an elevation over 2,000 feet for spectacular views of the Coast Range and Cascades. From the solid Brazilian hardwood floors to the coffered ceilings, it offers an exquisite blend of beauty, quality, and comfort. It's luxury living that's truly livable with panoramic views from nearly every room. When it's time to unwind, head to your private master suite. Experience a serene escape in the master bath. The spacious chef's kitchen features beautiful granite, custom cabinetry, and top-of-the-line Viking appliances. A covered outdoor barbecue area with Viking appliances is ready for your large gatherings and casual cookouts. It's a self-sufficient home with its own power-generating plant, complete with solar panels, wind turbine, and 2 backup generators. With abundant wildlife, orchards, lovely ponds, and vegetable gardens, it's your own piece of paradise, an enchanting home with breathtaking views. It's all here, waiting for you to call home. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Ted Wood with Cascade Sotheby's International Realty at 503-730-0820.